Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my second lesson about the percentages. In this class, students will be learning and discussing about the percentage changes and reverse percentages. Today's task is to discuss Practice Now 7, and after discussion of this question, my students will be able to understand question 12, 13 and 14 of exercise 8b. These all lessons we are making in order to facilitate our students and in order to bridge the gap of the syllabus due to the crucial period of COVID-19, and to give the idea that there can be no barrier between the teacher, student and learning, and no one can stop the learning process. So students, please watch this lesson carefully, because during the lesson I will not just be giving you the understanding of the lesson, but I'll be teaching you how to perform calculations without calculator, because this is also one of the problems of students. So let's move to today's class and let's read the question carefully. The question says, the monthly cost of running a small business consists of retail space rental $2,400, wages at $1,800 and utilities at $480. If the retail space rental and wages are decreased by 5% and 6% respectively, while the utilities are increased by 7%, find the percentage increase or decrease in the monthly cost of running the business. Okay, let's try to read and underline important terms of the question once again. All of my students must hold the pencil while reading the question. Question says, the monthly cost of running the small business consists of retail space rental at $2,400, wages at $1,800, and utilities at $480. If the retail space rental and wages are decreased by 5% and 6% respectively, while utilities are increased by 7%, find the percentage increase. Find the percentage increase or decrease in the monthly cost of running the business. The final requirement is that we have to find the percentage increase or decrease in the monthly cost of running the business. So for this article, it's really important to support your working with formulas, as we have to find the percentage increase or decrease. So the formula for the percentage increase will be equal to increase over original multiplied by 100%, and same for decrease, that decrease over original multiplied by 100%. And how to find the increase or decrease? That will be the difference between or decrease. In case of increase, we will have the new value minus original value. So these are the things for which we have to make our mind, that as we have to find the percentage increase or decrease, so first of all we have to find that how much total expenses were there in the beginning, and after the decrease of 5% in retail space rental and 6% in wages and 7% increase in utilities, what is the new cost of running the business? I hope you are clear that in order to find the increase or decrease, we have to find the difference between new value and original value. The total cost for running the business, original, we can calculate easily. So how to begin? The solution is that the monthly cost of running the small business retail space rental. So total cost of running the business business equals to what? 2400 plus 1800 plus 480. 480. This is the original cost. This is the cost which is in the beginning, which is given in the question. So what we have to do, we have to add them up carefully. This is 2400 and this is 1800 and this is 480. So 0, 8, 8 and 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. So the original, or in the beginning, the cost of running the business is $4,680. Now let's read the second part of the question that says if the retail space rental and wages are decreased. Now here it is important to understand the term that when there is the decrease of some percentage, like 5% decrease, what do and how do we understand that? That if originally you were getting 100 rupees for some job, okay, now what will happen that instead of 100 you will be getting 95 rupees for that, okay, as there is the 5% decrease for what? Retail space rental. Okay, now cost for retail space rental, and what is the cost given, students, for retail space rental is $2,400 and percentage change, okay, percentage change or decrease, change, and this is decrease by what percentage? By 5%. So what we have to do in order to get the new cost for retail space rental, new cost, as 5% has decreased from retail space rental, so it means now we have to calculate at what percent? 95% of what? 2,400. Now is the time for the calculations. Okay, 95 over 100 multiplied by 2,400. 0 goes with 0 and we are left with 95 multiplied by 24. Now what to do? That I have to multiply 95 by 24 and 95 mentally, okay. The whole game is to teach you that how to apply the concept properly and how to perform calculations mentally. 5 4s are 20, 0, 5 2s are 10 and 2 12, 9 4s are 36 and 9 2s are 18 and 2 21, 0 8 2 and 2, and this becomes 2,280. Okay, now in the beginning the cost for retail space rental was 2,400, but with the 5% decrease it has become $2,280, and now there is a 6% decrease wages. Cost for wages, okay, what was the cost for wages? 1,800, okay, $1,800, and percentage change 6%. This is again decrease, students. So 6% decrease means that 100 minus 6 is 94% of 1,800, and this will become 94 over 100 multiplied by 1,800. 0 goes with 0 and 94 times 18, and 94 times 18 you have to do on your own, but you have to do it without calculator. Okay, 94 multiplied by 18, this gives me 1692. Now this time, this is your task, students. $1,692 that you will be on your working space multiplying 94 by 18 on your own, and I will be checking this calculation. Okay, moving to the third thing, that are cost per utilities. Now the third thing, that the utilities, cost per utilities, that is $480. Okay, and now percentage change. Now this time this is increase by what percent? 7%. Increase by 7% means that if originally you were getting that thing on 100 rupees, now instead of 100 you will be getting that thing on 107. 107% of 480, and this will give me 107 upon 100 multiplied by 480. 0 goes with 0, and I will left with 48 multiplied by 107 by 10. And again, here I'm leaving the calculation mentally for you people, and I will be checking this working on your notebooks. 48 times 107, 48 times 107 is 5,136 upon 10. And now we know that when we have 0 in the denominator, how to keep the decimal. That will be that I have to leave one digit from the right hand side, 513.6. Now originally we were having the utilities, we have to pay $480 for the utilities, but now we have to pay $513.6 for the utilities. So new cost, this is the original cost, new cost for running. For running business, equals to what? Decrease in the retail space rental, that is 2280 plus 1692 plus 513.6. Again I have to add them up carefully. So 2280, 1692 to 8 and 8 16 plus 1 17, 6 and 2 8 and 1 9 and 3. And now what I have to do, okay, look carefully, 513.6, 513.6, and now let me add them up. 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 and 1 10 and 14, 4485.60 $4485.60. Okay, now the question comes that what is the actual requirement of the question? Find percentage increase or decrease in the monthly cost. Percentage increase or decrease. If we look at the new cost, new total cost, that is 4,485.60, and the original was $4,680. Originally you have to pay, in the beginning you have to pay more money to run the business, okay, but now after some reductions and some increase in your retail rental agreement and your wages and utilities, you have to pay $4,485.60. Okay, now you have to decide at this stage, Are you giving more money at the end, or are you giving more money in the beginning? As we can see that the new total wages are lesser than the previous, so we will have the decrease and percentage decrease. So what we are going to do is decrease in the cost of running. Okay, decrease cost. In monthly costs, decrease in monthly cost will be 4680 minus 4485.60. Now, as I have taught you how to add and subtract decimal numbers, so you will all be doing these calculations mentally, please, and I will be checking that work on your notebooks. Minus 4485.6, and this gives me 194.4, 194.4 and now actual requirement, that percentage decrease, that will be equal to 194.4 upon what? Original cost, that is 4680 times 100%. Okay, and now I have to multiply this by 100, and this gives me 19,440 divided by 4680, and this will give me 4.15%. So decrease in the monthly percentage, decrease in the monthly cost of running the business is 4.15%. Okay students, the objective of today's class was to teach you that how to find the new values when percentage increase or decrease is given, and in case of increase what we have to do, and in case of decrease what you have to do. Increase means that if originally you were getting 100 rupees for some job, and if there is a 5% increase in that amount, then you will be getting, instead of 100 you will be getting 105. And what is the concept of increase? That increase can be obtained or it can be the difference of new value and original value, and in order to get the percentage increase or decrease, you have to apply the formula increase over original multiplied by 100%. And the second important thing is that we learned how to perform calculations mentally without calculator. So please watch and understand and have good practice of these all things during your summer break, and apply the concept on question number 12 of exercise 8b. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.